Why is your channel not customized? You're a new content creator or you're a struggling content creator, and tell me now, why is your channel not customized? Come on in, lovies, let's chat all things customizing your channel. You guys know I'm on this journey of improving my content creation and actually focusing on my YouTube, because finally we got a camera to shoot some content so we can actually be a little bit more consistent. So if you guys see me at any point like looking down, I'm just having a brief look at my actual channel and the changes I started to make on Friday. It's Sunday today. It's Sunday evening. Just came from a mini, date. So don't mind that I still have makeup on because we still gotta go shower. But I wanted to talk to you guys about channel customization, right? So you guys know we're in the process of growing our channel and focusing on how to improve our content, right? First things first, I've noticed as maybe the small content creators or people who are not really focused on our YouTube, now that I've actually got time to focus on it, and you guys know I've been watching a lot of videos. On Friday I went in and I tried to customize. I sat in there, I watched a couple of videos, and I realized that the mere fact that you have not customized your channel is actually putting you back. Okay, it's pulling you back and it's putting your channel behind, right? One thing for sure, there's a lot of people producing content and stuff like that, and you really need to stand out as a content creator. So first things first, customize your channel so that when someone goes into it, they see something that's going to keep them there, right? Like anyone else, when you go to a car dealership or you want to buy a specific brand, certain brands have uniquely placed themselves in the mind of consumers. They've branded themselves, they've customized the cars. There's something about what they're offering that's not the same as the next person. Like all of us, we need to customize our channels so that they reflect us and they reflect the brand that we are selling off to our viewers. Okay, customization is important, and if you have a look on your dashboard, right, as a content creator, there is a customized channel tab there that you guys should be using. One thing for sure, I did not have a lot of things, like I didn't have an about section. There was nothing about me there. I have like a profile pic and a nice backdrop. I think you call it the backdrop. I'm not sure what you call I forgot what you call the other picture. What's the term for that? And then there's obviously your home, your videos, your shorts and stuff. Another thing, I never had any links and stuff like that. So definitely go there and write a proper description about what your channel is about, something very captivating. Remember, when brands also go into your channel, that's the first thing they're going to see. So at first glance, your channel needs to look good. So first things first, I want you to go here and have a look. So my backdrop is just literally my logo. It says Mashabang in it. It has no words there, so no one can really see what it is. Is it a beauty channel? Is it lifestyle? Is it a cooking? What am I doing? I don't have that, so I'm gonna be going on to Canva, right? You guys know the little blue app, and I'm gonna redo that so that it has some wording when it looks good. Okay, I don't want to take away the branding, but there must be something that screams lifestyle, that screams okay, I'll help you with DIY. I do food reviews. There must be something in the bio at first glance where someone already knows what they're coming into, right? And then I want you to go into your about section, add in a description, write something captivating. You have a lot of characters available for you to write. So I just have there right now my email address at first glance, because for me that's important. Someone wants to contact me, they mustn't go and look formally for the email. And then I put in my links, my WhatsApp, my TikTok, as well as what else? Yeah, WhatsApp, TikTok. I think those are the only two links I have. Yeah, WhatsApp and WhatsApp, TikTok and Instagram, and those things are not on private. Okay, and then now we're going to speak about general customization, things that you need to look out for. I'll start with videos. Please segregate videos. I just had videos everywhere. There's labels where you can label. If I go into customize channel over here, it's just going into studio, right? It's going into studio. Okay, it's taking a while. I'm gonna go to home tab and then I go to layout. Layout is where now you choose your layout. Okay, so with my videos, you'll have your normal videos, you'll have your shorts videos. So I added the popular videos, but when I go to the plus sign that has the add section, there's different things. You can have past live streams, upcoming streams, single playlists, created playlists, multiple playlists, featured channels, subscription, top whatever. You can even create a channel trailer and then spotlight for returning subscribers. These things are so important, and these things help to customize and put your videos in order so that when people come onto the channel, they can literally sift through the different things and go to certain videos without having all videos all over the place. Okay, customization is very important. I want you guys to take this very, very, very seriously. So I'm gonna give you today maybe 3 things that you can do for like putting, you know, customizing and adding depth into like your uploads and stuff like that. All right, so there's a lot of things that you can customize. Please go check out the layout, start off there, do that, add go to your home tab, add information to your profile. It's very, very, very important as a starters. Okay, this is for my young content creators, my new content creators. So today, in no random order, I'm going to speak about let's see, utilization of end screens. I only started using an end screen like last week Thursday. And I see end screens all the time, but because I was not serious about my content creation, end screens are the little video clips at the end that show you the next video that is available to watch, and sometimes it's usually in line with what you're watching, and then it prompts the viewer to go and watch the next video. So you can pick where you want, if you want to put the end screens at the beginning or at the end of the video. Lots of flexibility and very easy to use. Whenever I upload it, gives me the option to put an end screen, but I've never used it. Do not be that content creator, do not be like me. Right, so first things, please utilize end screens. Okay, simple stuff. I'll try to do a DIY tutorial for that. And then the second and most very important thing, video category that YouTube will publish your video under. I never used to pay attention to this, and it was something that did not appear to me. My videos are being put into film and something, which has completely nothing to do with my video. So if your video is classified under the wrong, you know, let's say the wrong section, right? If someone's going to look for film and stuff, what they're going to do with the beauty video, so definitely your video is going to be placed in the wrong market, and people are not going to watch that video, so it's going to get very bad views. Okay, I'm not saying that if you place it in the right, it's automatically going to get high views, but if something's under beauty, something's under specific thing, put it in the most accurate description. Okay, the most accurate market, so that it stays there. When people look for that video, it's easy for them to recommend because it's in the right thing. If you do not use that, okay, listen, okay, you're not going to get enough exposure, and it's not going to be sitting in the right place for people to actually find it. Okay, so that's the second thing. Enable the right like a video category setting there to prevent your content from being pushed into the wrong audience, because then they are not going to watch that, and then obviously your video retention is going to not look good. Another thing that you can do, okay, we did speak about channel layout and stuff like that. I'm going to speak about disabling the automatic chapters. You know how nowadays now people will literally scale down that at this point in time in the video, this is what I'm going to talk about, this point in time. That gives people who don't like to watch videos, long videos, or have like an attention span issue, an opportunity to skip and go watch the section that is most important to them. Obviously, that's not what we're trying to promote. We want people to watch the whole video, but if you have the opportunity to get more views because people want to watch a certain point, go there in your studio and do this on studio on your laptop. Please, all these things are accessible on a studio when you are viewing it from your laptop. Go there and manually type in your time slots of like what topic you're going to be covering in the video or what discussion. Okay, so disable the automatic chapters. If you put in automatic chapters, they're not always going to be correct, and then it also annoys viewers to say, if you say at 1 minute 20 seconds, this is what I'm talking about, and then that's not what you're talking about, people are going to literally skip your video because people don't like to feel like they're being scammed into watching something they don't really want to watch. So do that stuff is going to improve your game. When people come in there, they see that, even I like that, where you see it's even sectioned, so you know, okay, when you check the description at this point, this is what I want to actually go listen to. You can literally skip through and go watch that piece. Okay, so customization, we'll be doing more points as the days go by. I hope that you guys are listening and that you go and do this. Please customize your channels, make them unique, make us want to watch your videos. If you have not yet liked, please like, please subscribe, tell your other friends to come, tell their other friends to come check out what we have got.